Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can give access or temporary access of your WordPress website to someone without sharing the password or the email address. You can just simply send them a link, and if they click on that link they will get the temporary access of your website. And not only that, if you want them to provide any specific role, they will get that role only and can't access anything else rather than that. So first we have to go into plugin option, and then we have to click on add plugin. Now we will search for temporary logins, and this is the first plugin we are seeing. This is a decent plugin with more than 1 lakh plus active installation, and the plugin is from Store Apps. Now we will install the plugin. Activate it simply. Then under user interface or below user interface, you will see all users, add users, profile, temporary logins. You have to simply click on temporary logins and then click on settings, and then you will see all the roles that you can assign the person for a specific amount of time. Now in this case we will use administrator role. So basically this means if you choose this role and send them the link, they will, after clicking the link, will have the complete access of your WordPress website. And if you give them editor access, they will have less access of your website. But when you are assigning someone for the development purpose, then giving them the editor access most of the time is enough. But here we will choose administrator, and then we will keep the normal dashboard. And here this option lets you choose the duration of the access. Now if the developer needs a week for designing your website, you can assign them for 1 week, and if they need only 1 day or 3 days, based on their needs and your need, you can choose the necessary option here. Here we will choose only 1 hour. We will enable this option delete plugin data on uninstall, because if you give someone the temporary login access for about, let's say, a month, and you forget to remove the access from them and uninstall the plugin unknowingly or mistakenly, then they will still have the website access. To prevent that, we will enable this option which says delete plugin data on uninstall. So basically this, if you uninstall the plugin, then automatically the URL will be broken. To give someone the access of your WordPress backend, you have to click on create new. Then you have to paste your email address here. We will select this one and name. But here you have, or you can actually put the name of the person who you are giving the temporary access to, and you can select the role from here, and we'll keep it as it is an expiry on our, and after that we will click on submit, and then we will have our temporary login link, and if you click it and copy it and send it to someone, they will, after pasting the URL into a tab in any browser, will be directed into this interface. If you like tips and tricks like this, stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel or my Facebook page, and I publish videos on WordPress development, SEO and meta marketing every week. So if you are interested in this, you can subscribe to my channel.